So this is first problem. Evaluate integration minus 1 to 1 dz 0 to z dx and x minus z x plus z dy. Now here directly they have separated the integration. That means these are the limits of y. So we need to integrate first with respect to y. So let this integration be denoted by I minus 1 to 1 dz as it is, 0 to z dx as it is, and integrate this with respect to y. So as we are integrating with respect to y, x and z will be treated as constant. So x constant, integration of dy is y. Integration of y with respect to y is y square by 2 plus z constant, integration of dy is y. Limits x minus z x plus z. Okay, now substitute the limits. This will be as it is, this will be as it is. Here you can take y common, so this is x plus z into y plus y square by 2 x minus z x plus z. Now this is as it is, minus 1 to 1 dz 0 to z dx. Substitute the limit. Upper limit is x plus z. Substitute limit in place of y. So this is x plus z as it is and this x plus z. So it become x plus z into x plus z plus x plus z square upon 2 minus, what is lower limit, x plus z into x minus z, y replaced by x minus z, and plus will become minus x minus z bracket square upon 2. Okay, now simplify this. Minus 1 to 1 dz 0 to z. Now simplify, this is x plus z bracket square plus x plus z bracket square upon 2 minus x minus z x square minus z square, because x plus z x minus z is x square minus z square, minus x minus z square upon 2 with respect to x. Okay, so integrate it with respect to x. This is minus 1 to 1. Integration of x plus z square is x plus z cube upon 3 plus here x plus z cube upon this 2 as it is into 3 minus integration of x square is with respect to x, x cube by 3 minus minus plus z square constant, integration of dx is x minus this is x minus z cube upon 2 into 3. Limits from 0 to z. Okay, now this is minus 1 to 1. Okay, substitute the upper limit. What is upper limit? Z. So this is z plus z 2z cube upon 3 plus 2z cube upon 6 minus z cube upon 3 plus z square into z cube minus z 0 on 6. Okay, this is for upper limit. Now for lower limit, this becomes x is 0, so this becomes z cube by 3 minus z cube by 6, here 0 plus 0, here 0 because x is 0, and here minus minus plus minus z cube upon 6. So simplify this. Minus 1 to 1, 4z cube upon 3 plus 4z cube upon 6 minus z cube upon 3 minus z cube upon 3, it's minus 2z cube upon 3 plus this z cube as it is, and here minus z cube upon 6 minus z cube upon 6 is minus 2z cube upon 6. Okay, dz. Now we need to simplify this. All are the z cubes, so we just need to make the denominator same. So here we need to make it 6, 6 and 6. So here you will multiply by 2, here by 2 and here by 6. So it will become multiply by 2 for the first term. So 8z cube upon 6. Then this is directly 6. So 4z cube upon 6. This is as it is. Next is multiply by 2, so minus 4z cube upon 6, and here 6z cube upon 6, and here minus 2z cube upon 6 dz. Now denominators are same, so you can add the numerators. So this will get cancel. 8 plus 6, 14. So simplify this. This is minus 1 to 1. 8z cube upon 3. 2 cube is 8. Plus 8z cube upon 6. Minus z cube upon 3. Plus z cube. Minus z cube upon 3. And this is minus z cube upon 3. Minus z cube upon minus 2z cube upon 6. Okay. With respect to z. Again simplify. This is minus 1 to 1. 8z cube upon 3 minus 1z cube upon 3, that is 7z cube upon 3, minus 1z, that is 6z cube upon 3. Okay. Then what we have simplified? This term and this term. 8 minus 2, that is 6z cube upon 3. Next here 8z cube upon 6 minus 2z cube upon 6, that is 6z cube upon 6, and this z cube as it is dz. Now this is minus 1 to 1. Okay, this is 2z cube plus z cube plus z cube dz. I is equal to 2z plus 1, that is 4z cube dz, limits from minus 1 to 1. Now see, here you can apply the properties. Since this is odd function and limits are from minus a to a, so directly you can write the integration to be 0, or you can just integrate it. So this becomes I is equal to 4 into z raised to 4 by 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. Minus 1 to 1. So 1 raised to 1 is 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 is also 1. So this becomes 0.